everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I'm really excited today because I get to share with you my most recent collaboration with Eureka crystal beads called the Winter Solstice Ornament Cover Beading Kit. So this kit includes everything you need to make one beautiful sparkly ornament cover in the color of your choice. So we have a beautiful Siam Red, a Sapphire Blue, and an Emerald Green. So you supply the ornament. I checked online and the most common ornament size is approximately 2.5 inches. It could go up or down a little bit from there. So anything in this range is perfect. I'll put a link in the description box under the video to each kit. And Eureka will also be offering a bundle of all 3 kits as well. So check it out, see if you love it, and let's open up this beautiful Siam Red color kit and see what's inside. Let's take a look at what's inside here. So first you get this beautiful card, and what a great job they did on this. Gosh, they're so talented. So here is the front, and on the back it says, create something beautiful with Eureka crystal beads and Bronzepony beaded jewelry. And I've written you this little personal note that you can read when you get yours. Here is the QR code to the, you can scan the code for the video tutorial. Here is their social media, and let's take a look at what we have inside here. The chatons, so you have 6 of these chatons, and they're 8mm, and your color will coordinate with your kit. Of course, if you get the blue, you'll get sapphire, and if you get the green, you'll get emeralds. Look at these gorgeous chatons. Aren't they beautiful? We're gonna make 6 units with this, components, and they're very easy to make. I made the video tutorial very easy and doable and fun, because who wants to be stressed out around the holidays, right? So here you go, here are your chatons. So with that, we have these 3x2mm rondelles, and aren't these beautiful? They're so pretty. My lights always wash things out, but they're really, really pretty. So very, lots and lots of rondelles in this design, so really sparkly. Beautiful Siam bicones, and we have a 3mm and a 4mm, and they're mixed together. The 3mm, you just need a few for around the components, and the 4s are, to decorate the drops. It's really beautiful. These gorgeous crystal drops. It's just so beautiful in this. I think is it light Siam, or maybe just red, but they're so pretty. I'm kind of shading it a bit because my lights are washing it out, but look at the sparkle on them. They look so pretty. Beautiful. And that's a big one. I think it's about an 8x12mm. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's close. Next up, you have a few ginkgo beads, and you only need a few for around the top. So we've got the ginkgo beads, and then we've got a 4mm little shiny gold bead here. And there's packaged separately. I just put them in the same tray. So really pretty. It's gorgeous matte gold super duos, and you'll get the silver if you are getting the blue, of course, but lots of super duos. Very, very beautiful. I love the matte. We've got a contrasting super duo, so of course you'll get the blue or the green if you order the blue or the green, because I wanted to make a pretty pattern. If you see, we've got a nice pattern going there. And then we've got Miyuki seed beads, which I was so happy to use. So we've got 11Os and 15Os. Here you go. Here's everything. So you have all the beads to make one beautiful ornament cover in the color of your choice. And don't forget to look for the tutorial, which will be coming up in a few days. And I want to thank you so, so much for being here. I hope you love making this ornament cover. I hope you make it and post it on Facebook. I think it would be a great gift for the beader in your life. So, think about that as well. Okay, so I want to thank you again. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.